Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 in VR. First, ensure you have a compatible VR headset and the game installed on Steam. Next, we'll cover installing the essential VR mod that makes this experience possible. Finally, I'll guide you through the initial setup and configuration steps to get you ready for immersive zombie slaying. It's simpler than you might think to bring this classic into virtual reality. To begin, download the specific Left 4 Dead 2 VR mod, often found on community sites or GitHub. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the mod archive directly into your Left 4 Dead 2 installation folder. This usually involves placing files into the bin or add-on subdirectories. After the files are in place, you'll typically launch the game through a special shortcut or command to activate the VR functionality. This step is crucial for the VR experience. After installing the mod, it's time to fine-tune your VR settings for the best experience. Within the game's options, look for VR-specific adjustments like field of view or motion sickness reduction. Also, ensure your VR headset is properly calibrated and comfortable on your head. You might need to experiment with controller bindings to find what feels most natural for aiming and interacting in the virtual world. Small tweaks can make a big difference in immersion. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues, but don't worry. If the game isn't launching correctly in VR, first verify that your mod version is compatible with your current Left 4 Dead 2 game version. Also, confirm your computer meets the minimum and recommended specifications for VR gaming. Many common problems have simple solutions found on community forums or the mod's documentation. A quick search often provides the answer you need to get back into the action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.